is Mike Dusold of Dusold Designs, 57 Camaro. Been helping working on it for, well, started working here in February. Full tube chassis. It was sequential turbo, now it's just a single turbo. So this is what we'll be working on for the next few days as we get ready for grid life up in Road America. The problem we're having is the intercooler is not flowing as well, so we're going to be building a new intercooler. I'm going to take the lines out, I'm going to flow test the fluid, and then once it's flow tested, take everything out and start designing and building a new intercooler. I had to cut off filming because I was using my phone as a stopwatch to test the flow of the coolant pump for the intercooler. So we were able to get 1 gallon every 12 seconds, which is not great. It's supposed to be 20 gallon a minute pump, which obviously that math doesn't add up. So we're thinking the intercooler is a pretty big restriction. It's also a fair bit of restriction for the air. So now I'm just going to remove the intercooler and we're going to test fit to see where the new intercooler will fit and hopefully get a lot better flow. We have our liquid end tanks kind of mocked up. They may have to change, but so this is roughly where the intercooler is going to sit. The charge pipe will come around. We'll make nice end tanks for both sides. End tank. We will have to move the brake fluid and clutch fluid reservoirs up, but then we'll have another end tank go and meet the throttle body. I went through so much trial and error trying to get these two pieces. I gave up on filming. I was moving to all different machines, trying to figure something out. I eventually got it after a little bit of thinking. So I did not film any of it, but I will film the other two sides, and if I get there today, I will start building the other sides. By no means am I a professional, but it's fun learning a new skill. So as you can see, got rid of most of the bumps, starting to get a real nice fluid curve through it. So let's go test fit it. Alright, so we have our piece. I may have went a little crazy on the hammer. So what I gotta do is try and roll this, all of this back into this area. I'm sure someone who knew more of what they were doing would probably have this done already, but that's a part of the whole experience. Again, I would like to warn you, I do a lot of chassis stuff, a lot of tube work, a lot of flat sheet metal. I don't really do any body work. I'm just doing this for fun and to help. So don't laugh at my English wheel skills here. Sure enough, I think that's might have been what I did to make it fit so good. So again, I'll have to spread and trim some of it, but I think this is looking good. So what I didn't get on film because my phone ran out of memory and a whole ordeal happened is I made this piece. It had terrible flow. So remaking it in the master of sheet metal work is going to form it. I'm hoping I can catch him in his natural habitat, making it happen.
Going. Kyle doesn't realize that he can time lapse. This is an 8-minute long video, and you probably will only use like 20 seconds of it. Yep. Go follow my channel. It's Cole Reynolds. Thank you.
Oh, God damn it. Go give me a beer. Oh, shit.